What's up, you guys? What you're looking at here are my ube yams after harvest. The plan is to take most of it to cook and leave some pieces to replant. This top piece here is going to be for replanting, so I'm going to hang it up to dry for a few days. I have two other yam tops and here's another one. They snap off very easily. Hang that up to dry. And here's the third one. Perfect. Hang that up to dry as well. While I was harvesting, I did find a rhizome that branched off, and that's ready to go, so I am going to plug that straight into the ground. Can't wait to see it grow this year. These are the real ube yams, guys, and you know it by their dark, rough exterior. There are other purple yams and sweet potatoes out there, but there is only one ube. And now I'm going to store them in a warm, dry spot for a week or two so that they can cure. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and follow for more videos.